Lakas ng Bayan, PDP Laban. Certificate of Nomination and Acceptance. By virtue of the power and authority vested in me by the Constitution and by law of PDP Laban, I, Michael Lopez Rama, Vice President for Visayas, and duly authorized signatory for and in behalf of the party, hereby nominate Pamela Silagan Paripatro, Nicolas Raffles Street, Poblacion Pinamungahan, Cebu. Address of the nominee. Nakaibalay dito?
Akong grandparents.
Okay. As the party official candidate in the May 12, 2025 national and local elections and barn parliamentary election BPE for the position of provincial governor, province of Cebu, signed by me yesterday, October 2024, Mayor Michael L. Rama. And this is duly notarized. Okay? Okay, now, muna imuha. We go by muning kupya, no? Kupya na na. At di na maruna.
Hindi mo yung dapat.
Morning COC mo.
So, ngayon, sige, kanya mo lang kang kwanda. Malitis ka na. O, awan na. Malitis na. Okay. Of course. Okay.
Nanay dog stamp, no?
Kuan, ang katong
Alright.
Nanay dog stamp, ano lang.
Kumpito na na, oh. Oo. Kita ka na, PDP
Laban,
Laban.
yes.
Pakpakin mo, pakpak. Oh, may mampakpak nyo. Adlok mo.
Yay!
Inak na mo.
panumdumi ko.
Ibutang lang sa imong bulta.
Okay na, Mayor.
Muna na siya. Whether we like it or not,
It's going to be in the pages of history. The impossible dream.
yeah.
This is the moment. This is the moment. Attorney, gituyan mo ng wiwinaka.
Ano ipabalot?